Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Matic from your Tangem wallet to Binance in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your Matic tokens smoothly and securely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and that it's connected to your hardware wallet. Double-check that you have some Matic tokens in your Tangem wallet and that your Binance account is set up and verified. Security is key in crypto, so always use two-factor authentication. Step 1. Open the Tangem Wallet app and log in with your credentials. Navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the Matic token from your list of assets. You'll see your current balance. Take a moment to note how much you want to withdraw. Step 2. Head over to your Binance account on a web browser or the app. Go to the Wallet section, then Deposit, and select Matic from the drop-down menu. This will generate a unique deposit address for your Binance wallet. Copy this address carefully. It's case-sensitive and super important to get right. Step 3. Back in the Tangem Wallet app, go to the Send or Withdraw option for your Matic tokens. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Step 4. Review the transaction details thoroughly. Check the address, amount, and fees before confirming. Once you're sure, hit the Confirm button and approve the transaction on your Tangem hardware wallet if prompted. This might involve a PIN or biometric verification for added security. Step 5. Sit tight and wait for the transaction to process. Matic on the Polygon network is usually fast, taking just a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Binance and refresh your wallet to see your Matic tokens arrive. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Matic from Tangem Wallet to Binance in 2025. Always keep an eye on gas fees and double-check addresses to avoid any mishaps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.